It's time to go explore the wild. Haha, I'm just kidding. I'm not Australian. Damn it, we're lost! Well, look at this fine specimen. It's a turtle. Well, there's only one way to get this turtle out of the ground. Beating the living crap out of it. Now, I don't know where the head is, or tail, or any of its limbs. So I'm just gonna start repeatedly kicking it in the back, or whatever part this is. This turtle just simply isn't responding to my kicks. I'm gonna have to remove it from the ground. Damn turtle. It's a moose! Now let's talk about grass. Grass is a very convenient pet. It's the biggest pet you can have, and it's also the most affordable pet you can have. Watch as I play fetch with my grass. Fetch, grass. It already got it. Good grass. Grass is also one of the most lovable pets. Your friends and family will love it.
Come on, Grass. Give me a kiss. Oh, I love you. I love you. I really love you.
I made a friend yesterday. His name is Mr. Tree. Now I know it might be hard to tell, but he's a tree. He's a very sneaky tree at that. He stole my billfold yesterday while I wasn't looking. Silly Mr. Tree. Billfolds aren't for trees. Hey, look! Some more turtles.